In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to your Monday.com board, whether you're managing a project, organizing your work schedule, or just keeping track of personal errands. Knowing how to effectively add tasks is crucial. So let's get started by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, open the specific board where you want to add this new task. If you haven't created a board yet, you might want to do that first, but assuming you have one ready to go, navigate to it now. Now the next thing you're going to do is look towards the bottom of your group within this board. There you'll find a button labeled with a plus sign and the word add. Alternatively, you might also find new item as an option, which works just the same. When you click on one of these, it starts the process of adding a new task, allowing you to focus on the specifics of what this task will involve. With your new task row created, you can go ahead and type in the name of your task. Be clear and specific about it so that anyone looking at the board will know exactly what this task entails. Once you've typed in the task name, simply hit enter. This action officially records the task name on your board, but we're not quite done yet. The next step is customization, which helps provide clarity and accountability. Start by assigning this task to a team member. You'll see an option or column for assignee. Simply choose the person responsible for this task. This step is critical for ensuring that everyone knows who's owning what part of the project. Next, you'll want to update the status of the task. This is where you'll know if the task is just started, in progress, or completed. Keeping the status updated helps you track the progress at a glance, thereby enhancing team productivity and clarity. Setting a due date is another vital step. This isn't just about managing time, but also about prioritizing workflow. By adding a due date, the task becomes more than just an entry on your board. It turns into a scheduled activity that fits into your broader timeline and project management plan. Lastly, consider adding any optional details such as priority levels or tags. These can help further organize tasks by significance or category, allowing for quick sorting or filtering when you need it most. When you've added all the necessary details, simply click outside the task area. This will save everything you've entered, and congrats! Your task is now added and visible on the board for everyone involved. Whether you're checking in daily or doing a weekly review, you'll now have a new task properly set up and ready to go.